Here we got a 60 Corvette. The other one I said 58, could be a 59 because the 60 Corvette has got the 59 on the back of the taillights. So, you know, I don't know. Pretty damn close though, right? So that's a 60. It's got fuel injection in it, which is rare back then. Red and white. You see a lot of that theme too in Japan. You'll see a lot of cars colored red and white. The flag is what, red and white, you know? Rising sun. And the carpet's got some black and red in it, which is smarter because it's just pure red. It's not that good on a carpet, man. You want something to hide a little bit of dirt, you know, in case there is some little, can't keep nothing perfect. No, 60. I think 61, 60, 62, 61, got a different back end.